I'd like to welcome you to another adventure, a frozen adventure. Today, we are in Batesville, Indiana. We're going to get some filming of a frozen reservoir. A frozen reservoir. It's been a long day, guys. Holy! So let's get started. We're going to see if I freeze up on here. If I do freeze up on the GoPro, then I'll be giving the ending probably tomorrow. So I'm going to put you around my shoulder and we're going to get the G70 out and put my hat on better and get a frozen rose. My God, my thing! Reservoir? Reservoir! All right, let's get started. Oh, let me tell you, that was a chore getting up that hill. But yeah, may not look like a reservoir, but it is. I'm not going to go out on it. But up here in Batesville, on the way over, we went past some of the other reservoirs, and lots of people out there ice fishing. Oh, quite beautiful, isn't it? I was hoping to get some wildlife on here. Holy. Now, back a couple years ago, let me turn around this way. There's a trail right up yonder there. Let's walk up that way and I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, right up yonder that way. A trail taking you to another reservoir. It's cold out here, guys. Holy. I may go up a step further and see what we can get. I was hoping to get more. This was not my choosing today. This was a backup. Was going to go to a place called Ballinell and go through a tunnel. Problem with that is the roads are all covered with snow and ice. Can't get down there. And the problem with the snow and ice is I don't want to take that chance, no. But that will be on the back burner, that tunnel will. Holy crap, this is... So that's what I'm walking through right now. It's snow and icy. It is so cold out here right now. Oh, I wanted to see if my GoPro battery freezes up. It probably will. That's okay if it does. So I'll put an ending on it later. Here we go. Here's the point I was trying to get to. Oh my word. Oh. Okay, let's get to G70. Yeah, just go up that way a little bit and it'll take you to the right. You follow the trail on down to the other reservoir. Yeah, we did a video up here. Oh shoot, I'm guessing 2 years ago. All right, let's get some more. Well, try to get some beauty shots. My wonderful wife and my puppy. Hi guys. Sun's like blocking this out, but this should make a pretty good picture right there. Should. Oh man. Want to go down and get some water. That looks like to be more entertaining than the reservoir right now. There's the Defiant. It's dirty. Alright, here's the road we came in on. We're going to head over right to the right side of this. There we go. You guys might remember me getting this once before. Yeah. If this didn't work out today, well, we was going to head to the tunnel. If that didn't work out, we had to make this a plan B. I knew there's a possibility it wasn't going to work out though. I just kind of had that feeling. Don't get me wrong, the reservoirs are beautiful, but I don't know. They just look like snow right now. You see where people been sled riding. Oh yeah. Well guys, this is Batesville Reservoir, one of them. And it's pretty good and frozen. Here's some shots I didn't do last time I was here. I believe this is what controls the level of the reservoir. Yeah. So peaceful down here. Now, I have fished here before a couple times. The problem with fishing here is get a lot of vegetation on the water in the summertime. And it's easy to get hung up on that. I'm trying to make my way back to the Defiant, where Angie and Kitt are. And I'm walking in snow that's over a foot deep. Oh, wow. Oh my word. Whew. Trying something new with the GoPro battery. Well, the GoPro itself. I'm leaving it on the whole time, hoping to generate enough heat to keep the battery from freezing. I have not got new batteries yet. I'm doing my research on that. Hold on, guys. Okay, I made it out of that big snow pile. I've been doing my research on that, trying to find the right battery, because I want to buy a battery and having it freeze up too. Funny thing is, I've had the GoPro out in the previous years in freezing temperatures. I never had this problem before until recently. Let's get some Kitt here. What you got there, Bubby? You got yourself a stick, don't you? Don't you? Honey, you should be zipped up. What you got there, honey? You shouldn't eat that stick. He's got snow on his nose. You know, you shouldn't do that, kid. Let me get that from you real quick. In the last video, I had mentioned that I may only have 2 videos a week, because really depending on Mother Nature. We want to go out and hit as many adventures as we can, providing we can get into them. That's been our problem. That's what the problem was with the tunnel. It's not feasible to make it down to that tunnel. Of course, there's lots of different tunnels we have on our list to go to. Yes, but this particular one had a creek. And oh my word, I'm telling you, nothing's more prettier than a frozen creek, right? But that's it right here, guys. I know I didn't do this video justice. I tried. Trying to get the snow off my boots. I tried. I really did. But when I see my wife's a little cold and I see my puppy shivering, I was like, question why'd I even come here? It's cold. It's cold. I mean, hell, I'm sure you're cold where you live too. But guys, this is it. This has been the Frozen Reservoir. I have no idea what I'm going to name this video. I have no clue. But I promise you, as the weather gets permitting, and we're going to have a video at least twice a week, at least 2 times a week. But once the weather gets more permitting, you know, I will get more than 2 videos a week. I will go non-stop if I can. So like I said back a couple videos ago, I got a list a mile long of places for us to go. And it keeps growing. Until next time, I'm going to jump in my warm car. Well, not yet. I got to put the G70 away. Then jump in my warm car, head home, and have some suppers. Because we're going to lose daylight probably in about 45 minutes. All right, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.